That total comes to €2.69, please. Cash or card?
You know, you should really try more. Your personality, it's like you just don't care. Are you fucking serious? Give me that!
No, I kind of want to play with it, you know.
You should be playing with that ball while we're here. We're expecting the order. You can't just be... Come on, give me that.
Alright.
Hello guys, can you call for the manager? I'm here to do the audit.
Someone help! Get this fucking rats off me!